Hey everyone, it's Chichi Nyagah-Nash, Director of the Department of General Services. We are here at the Northwood Baseball Fields, working in the community, helping them revitalize this space where the youth come out and train and practice and get a good workout.
My name is Mike Martin, President, Northwood Baseball League. Northwood Baseball League been around for 61 years now. We have about 300 kids here that we play from March until November, and this work is tremendous for the kids in the community. The partnership came about from City Councilwoman Mary Pat Clarke. We've been in communication with her for several years now, and she facilitated this with General Service.
This is a great effort, and so much vegetation's been cut back. That's been a problem, and we're getting new electrical service in the buildings here, so it's safer and it's great. These young people who play here and their coaches and families deserve it.
We are replacing the roof. We're going to put down some tar to stop the water getting into the building. The building, by the way, we're standing on is a bathroom. So we're making sure that the kids have a safe place to use the bathroom when they come out. And it's just been an amazing turnout of the volunteers from DGS. We had some team members and their coaches come out. We had the local councilwoman join us, Mary Pat Clarke. Thank you for organizing this, Miss Mary Pat Clarke. And yeah, it's been a wonderful day. The weather held out for us. I've learned some new skills, and yep, we are DGS and we are getting it done in the community.
We are DGS!